Anzhuang is the most popular jailbreak app installer for the latest iOS versions. Now, Anzhuang is compatible with iOS 11.4. You can install Anzhuang from third-party app stores such as Jailbreak, Xabsi, and many more Chinese and Russian app stores. We recommend using Jailbreak or Xabsi to install the English version of Anzhuang Jailbreak app installer. Go to the iOS 11.4 jailbreak page of the Panguwait website and tap the Jailbreak or Xabsi install button. Here is Anzhuang. Tap to install. Okay, I have installed the Anzhuang. Now you can install popular jailbreak apps from Anzhuang Jailbreak App Installer. Tap this link to browse Jailbreak App List. Okay, now I am going to install Cydia using the Anzhuang. Find the Cydia. Generate the developer code and copy it. Now paste it into the Anzhuang app. Now tap the install button. Okay, now I have installed the Cydia. It's easy to install apps using the Anzhuang. You may need to trust the developer for some jailbreak apps. If this pop-up appears when you try to open an app, go to Settings, General, Profile and Device Management. Now select the app and tap Trust Developer link. Okay, you can install hundreds of jailbreak apps and themes from the Anzhuang Jailbreak App Installer. Thank you for watching this video. All of our videos are ad-free in this channel. We kindly ask you to subscribe our channel. Also, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video.